Prime Commander still back on StudentTV. Central Park zabuya bafethu. Nathi intwana lana ngimeduze kwayo bafethu. Nginuka imali phu. Ngifikile kwi-industry Andile. Kama kanjani Mpisane mfethu?
Hayi khamba kahle mfethu, khamba kahle kakhulu. Sanukuperforma la si right. Thina si Durban rally. Contest fena ayigqomi different kunawo wonke umuntu.
Ngiyabona bafethu all over bonke bajulukile bafethu. Bajulukile kade niperforma, nihlanyisa abantu, nihlanyisa iDurban KZN bafethu. I-energy engaka my brother, uthi ngibuze wena mhlawumbe ukuthi nithathaphi le-energy engaka niyareheza, niyazimisela nenze njani?
Lalela siyareheza, siyajima, siyaqhuma, senza konke into. So nje mfethu energy vele iqhamuka from kwi-rehearsals number 1. Vele umuntu you need to rehearse all the time. Nane-passion nothando la lento. Into omonayo ngeke uziqede yabo. So that's the shit dog.
Andile angibuyele kuwena mfethu. Siyazi ifamily yakho mfethu siyasazi isipane esiphushwayo above everything mfethu wavela akhetha ukungena ku music mfethu and specific ikwaito igqom ihouse mfethu why ama genre emangaka wavela nje wathi specific kulena
ngoba igqom nenhliziyo enami nje ngiyalifila igqom likumina vele ngiyathanda futhi nokudansa namajita muzwabona sengifundisa ngisho nezitayile ezintsha sure nedrum likhona na yonke into nje yabo.
So manje Andile yini esingayilindela kuwena cause sesikubonile uperforma khona ama projects azayo EP album kwenzakalani?
No into engayilindela uthi nani nizoyibonela stage into enilindele ukuthi like it's just ayikazeki soyiboneka ayikazeki
khona into echazekayo ke lana eseduze kwami ke lana ngazi uphaqa wakhona uqiniya ngakanani ake ngisondeze iguchi kanjalo Andile ngithi ukusopha kancane nawe ngifuna ukukhuluma nale ndoda lena my brother ngibona udle nje guchi lana uEldambi ngiyayazi lensizwe lena udambayi mfethu usikhipha na utshela abantu ngale brand mfethu
initiative epush Andile Mpisane is to give back to the community. Is giving 250 families each and every month ama groceries. Is buying abantwana abafunde primary and secondary school shoes each and every year umnyaka omuqala. He has started this group to give back to the community. He's very good, a phenomenal young entrepreneur. Is the chairman of the Royal Eagles, the youngest chairman in the football fraternity. Is doing very well. If it's not the students, you will come. Identify any universities where students are struggling to pay their fees. Send an email to us. Andile will intervene with high definition. Durban Royal is a musical group which is not impacting Durban only, but we are soon going to overseas. We cannot say that yet, but abantu bazoyibonela untokozo maraso uyamazobonela uyamazo Andile iDurban Royal iphethuthula iphetubani lapha the drummist into ongayazi
ayisondezona le ndoda ye drum ize la akayisondele awusondele kwazi asikhulume bafethu StudentTV na wewe ulaphi la sibuela khona UJ MUT DUT UKZN Unizulu kuma FET kuma TVET sikhona bafethu nama Royals siyeza we giving back to the community nale nsizwa mfethu ngifuna sikhulume ngalamakhathi Andile masiqeda ne ukuthi kwenzakalani kulamakhathi lawa ama hairstyle kodwa sikhulume mfethu udlala idrum mfethu awutshela abantu ukuthi mawudlala idrum kwenzakalani lapha yana kubantu
baba ngiyakutshela wena konke enzakalayo ngifuna bonke abantu abazi iDurban Royal ukuthi idrum lakhona likhala alihlukile lehlukile bafuna ngiyakutshela nomdanso wakhona ne-energy into efanayo bafuna kuzonyiwa kakhulu
ayizofika bafethu niyazi uPrime Commander ngikhona nami kwi-industry ngiyacollaborate nalezi insizwa Andile asikhulume ngamakhathi bafethu asikhulume ngalamakhathi sitshela abantu bazi bethu ngiphuphile ekhanda nami kumele ngithole ikhathi namhlanje bethu Andile kwenzakalani ngifuna ifedi namhlanje
nawe uyabona nakho kubhaliwe la rally mina kumele uzifike khona uzoshaya free haircut yaza la uzofika free cut so thina ama candidates kahle kodwa manje sesiwabuyisile ngoDisemba nje songathi sihlukile sishaya ukhala aba difference si colorful khona so pop nje stage yabo ukuthi sibe different na wonke umuntu stage
ayakuzwa kakhulu bafethu ngisazoyitholela ikhathi ngiphinde ngithole collaboration nalezi insizwa bafethu yabonga kakhulu bafethu bekumnandi ukukhuluma nani bafethu StudentTV abantu abangayindawo khona ulana ngifuna ungishiya nabo bafethu uline okugcina siyaphuma ngazi imuphi uline okugcina bafethu
Group say Afro say pepet. Durban Royal is a bompet.
Showcase yabonga kakhulu StudentTV stay tuned ungayindawo sesibamnandi kakhulu